Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn that how you can use TikTok on your smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to press the home button on your TV remote, and then you need to scroll down to your apps, and then you need to scroll to the right where you will find add apps. So you need to tap there. You will come down to the app categories and you need to tap on entertainment. So once you tap here, you will find TikTok in the list. You can either, if I go back, I just want to show you that from here you can search even TikTok as well. But just from the categories, you can access to TikTok application. Once you tap on that, you need to just tap and install the application. So guys, as you can see now the application is downloading, so it will take a bit of time. I will show you once the application is downloaded and installed. So guys, as you can see the installation has been done, and now I will just tap on open the application. So there you have it. Now you can use TikTok on your smart TV. You need to just log into your account, or if you tap on watch now, so it will bring you here, and as you can see now you can watch TikTok on your smart TV. So guys, this is all it takes to use TikTok on your smart TV. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.